Well, hello friends. It's been a little bit now. Sad day happened to us there in Roscoe, Texas. Lost one of our businesses. 100-year-old lumberyard that our city manager a few years ago took a big venture, big risk, and made it into a bar and honky-tonk dance hall. He lost it all to a fire. Tragically, one of the original Higginbotham Bartlett lumberyards, opened well over 100 years ago in Roscoe, and then Cody it went through transitions. It was a grocery store at one time, and I don't know what all else. I was away in the Army for a while it transformed, but anyway, it became the lumberyard, Roscoe, Texas. Food, beer, wine, and live music. Many a good time was had here by a lot of folks, including my mother, who they took so wonderful care of in here. At 89 years old, she was still coming. She still was up here often until the day it burned down. And she was planning to come for the rest of her life. So she's at home heartbroken, like lots of people are. Fire's unkind, but I'm kind of surprised by the fire. Some of the stuff, if you look through there, it looks like it's untouched. It's just nuts how fire reacts. Part of that is from the Roscoe Volunteer Fire Department that came down here hard and heavy and saved a bunch of buildings. Let me make sure my Jeep is locked over there. This thing will range that far. Yep, cool. They come down here and they poured tons and tons and tons of water onto the lumberyard itself. Even though by the time they got here, I'm sure they knew it couldn't be saved, but they did save. Look, we got all this destruction here, and because of their efforts, the fire departments that converged on here, this building over here is unscathed, still running. Big loss for the community. I've said that several times, and because it brought lots and lots of folks. I'm just going to go ahead and be bold and go in here. That 800-pound gorilla principle, where does the 800-pound gorilla sit? The answer's anywhere he wants. So but the older I get, the less of an 800-pound gorilla I get. So about a 600-pound gorilla now. Sometimes on a good day. But oh my gosh, thousands and thousands of dollars worth of inventory lost. There'll be some stuff that could be salvaged, I guess, in here, but oh my. You know, just you know, I've had lots of good times here. Mother, like I said, had lots of good times. Cody took a giant risk opening this thing up, and it was a very, very successful business for him. I'm sad for him. Look at those. This is those saw house. We used to have a saw in there to cut lumber and stuff. I can't believe it survived as well as it did. Some of it burnt, but some of it's still standing. Again, you know, just a testament to fire being weird and our firefighters coming out here and just doing their thing. Melted that plastic up there, but left that little chair. Craziness. Wow, can't believe some of it is saved. Look here, the stage, the original stage. They called this the Ray Price stage because one of the last performances of the great and legendary Ray Price was right here, and this was the first stage for the lumberyard. And then later it moved over to, well, the mainstay became over there, which is totally gone now. That was what became known as the Merle Haggard stage, because great Merle Haggard played one of his last shows there. It's crazy, this thing's just not even touched, looks like. Man. What a devastating blow to the city of Roscoe. Well, this was where the Merle Haggard stage was. A green room was right here where acts got ready to make their final come out. Well, folks, life goes on, right? Y'all have fun out there.